In this video, I'm going to go through the items that I utilize for a mobile dual display workstation. With this setup, I'm able to easily carry everything in a standard backpack. So let's go through what's included here. First is the computer, which in this case is a 16-inch MacBook Pro. I can also use this setup with my iPad Pro as well. We'll look at that option a little later on. Next, we have the display. This is a 16-inch 4K display from DragonTouch. Despite that brand name, this is not a touch-enabled display, but it's compact and lightweight. Its screen quality doesn't match that of the MacBook Pro, but it's not bad. This display is not AC powered. It's only powered over USB-C. So when attached like this, it's being powered by the Mac. Same when attached to an iPad. So if you're on battery power, your battery is going to drain a little faster than normal. The USB-C cable is included with the display. And the display also has a mini HDMI port that can handle video, but it will still need to get power via USB-C. The next, and possibly the most important piece of this setup, is the compact stand that the DragonTouch is attached to. This stand is inexpensive, plenty sturdy enough to hold a lightweight display, and it's collapsible. When packed up, the display and stand fold up together. I put the included display cover over the exposed screen, and it's ready to go into my backpack. On a side note, the screws included with the stand didn't fit the VESA holes in the display. I was able to find M4 size screws at Home Depot that did fit. Those were the smallest that they had. So having this gives me a similar setup to what I use in my home office, with the external display mounted above my MacBook display. Now let's swap out the MacBook for my iPad Pro. To use the iPad with an external display, I use the ESR Rebound case with a keyboard and trackpad. With the iPad mounted on the Rebound case and the display plugged into the iPad by USB-C, Stage Manager can then be enabled to allow the iPad and DragonTouch displays to be used independently, vastly increasing the screen real estate available when using the iPad. For more on how to use Stage Manager like this, take a look at our full iPad OS tutorial. I'll have links to all the items that I use in this mobile workstation setup down in the description below. Thanks for watching.